Hello friends, welcome back to She's in Her Apron. We have already been in the Christmas mood and spirit. So we're here at the University Place Mall for the grand opening of the giving machines. You may have heard me talk about this on Instagram.
Last year with 5 locations over the Christmas holiday, we collected over $2.3 million of donations. We anticipate that the locations are particularly strategically located. It's a place where we light the world with service, love, donations. You'll see when they open, you have an opportunity, 100% of your donations end up blessing lives throughout the world. You'll buy a chicken here, and it will be donated tomorrow somewhere in Africa or somewhere else in the world. So our charity partners are busy on the other end of this. I wish you could see that part of it. But it's a way for us to connect throughout the world, like the world, serve the way the Savior was served, and watching caring for others. Like the world is an opportunity for us to reach out and really bless the lives of others.
Okay, this is what you could pick in the giving machine. An hour of child care, therapy sessions, water filtration, purifier for a family.
Install a well.
Install a well. Chicken, sheep. Let me tell you, I have no energy today. I have a ton of motivation up here, but no energy. I've been doing this like detox for a couple of days now, and today I'm like, and I'm sure tomorrow I'll be like, ping! I have a lot of dishes that I need to get done. Okay, I need to unload the dishwasher. All right, that's done. Now I'm gonna fill it up again. Okay, that's loaded. I'm gonna start this. I'm going to make some cook up some bacon. I'm not gonna make the bacon, but I'm gonna cook up some bacon. I'm gonna make corn chowder for dinner. It is 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so I am going to get this going now because it's tutoring day, and so by the time we get home, it's dinner time. I'm gonna take my scarf off. I'm just feeling a little overwhelmed right now, to tell you the truth. I have all these video ideas for you guys that I want to do, that I feel inspired to do, but I just don't have the energy, and I'm just pooped. I'm just feeling overwhelmed. I'm still not done decorating for Christmas. Let me show you. Still decorating. I've got lots of stuff out in the corner, and yeah, the kids have been decorating the tree here in the living room. Lots of stuff still to do and go through. It's a little crazy. We're hoping to finish decorating. Oh, you smell the bacon, baby? Paige is like, give me that bacon. So hopefully we can finish the Christmas decorating and put the rest of the bins away. I'm not putting the wreaths on my kitchen cupboards like I did in our last house because it's just too many wreaths. You'll see when I show you the kitchen. You'll understand why. Yum, yum, yum. I got some of the bacon grease in here. Just gonna saute up the onions. I have a video on how to make this soup. It's so easy, so easy, and it's one of our kids' favorites. You can also cook the onions with the bacon, but I don't. Hi. In here I already have the milk, the cream and mushroom soup, the cream corn, the onions, and now I'm gonna add the bacon. The reason why I don't like doing the onions with the bacon is the bacon doesn't come out crisp. It comes out like a soggy bacon, and I don't like that. So I like to have good crisp bacon in this recipe. I'm not going to add a whole lot of salt, actually probably none, because this is a bacon I've never had before, and it's very salty. So we'll see what I end up doing with adding salt to this. All I have to do is heat this through and dinner is done. Okay, this is where our advent calendar is. we don't know where else to put it, so it's on the mantle. We got this up in Salt Lake last year at the Christkindlmarkt. I know I'm saying that wrong. The German Christmas festival. And so I still haven't put any candies in it for the kids, and we're on December 3rd. So I'm going to fill this up now with some candy. All I got was just some Butterfinger Bells and then the Reese's cups. It would be fun to put some other fun things in here besides candy, but you know, you got to think ahead for that. And I was at the grocery store today and I picked up some candy. This is so cute. These are so big. I am going to put 2 of each in here. See, these are big enough to really put some fun stuff in. But I didn't get that far ahead in thinking this year. I'll have to make a note of that in my Christmas planner for next year. Look at all that space. That's a lot of space. Look, one candy was left in here from the 20th last year. It's a Mr. Goodbar. How funny. I don't have time right now to finish decorating the tree. We'll do that later. The kids already put their decorations on the other tree, as you saw. But I'm going to get this room picked up so that way it's clean for when we get home later.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.
And we're going on a family outing. We're gonna see some beautiful lights.
Opportunity to work on my patience. don't have to wait no more. It's Christmas Day. Christmas Day. The best day of the year. I can't believe it's here. It's Christmas. Christmas Day. I'm sneaking down the stairs to where our tree is at, to see what Santa Claus has brought. There's a red and green parcel, the label reads Marcel. I wonder if it's what I thought. Oh, it's Christmas Day. Christmas Day, the best day of the year. I can't believe it's here. It's Christmas, Christmas Day.
Two hotties right here, Elvis and Mr. Toodles.
I found. Yeah.